Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 3, Eros 0. My brother, how's it?
Hey, sharp, how's it, Ngoba?
Hey, Fugile, man.
I'm in Pukini, man. Hey.
You're taking the game to
I got Shishirizana Mutla Aros, I combo Aros high. Mara, I'm not happy. And Catholic because it's Aros, illegal danger zone, and then it's my favorite. No, I don't care. Because I the game in Tanana, just 2 games, 2 games in left, and in Arana, only 4 games. Yeah. No worried about the Golden Arrows. And the Golden Arrows is development there in Orlando Pirates. So it's adding a live heavy score, just only 1 goal.
Yeah.
You my farm arrows. Bafana ba arrows, bana spirit lo batlangana Pirates. Bana more power.
Yeah. So balaba go shabiwa phela.
Balaba go shabiwa balakutlanga mara dasani ngari happy. And then you were worried because yini Rivero wavaya. And then those guys, the small guys, development, you worried. Yo, my coach already is gone. And mina nitangangi. Why wanna magofana nale? Ni worried so. And the man of the match Yamina, Rivero again. Oh, yeah, man of the match. Today got to play Alterda. And bona yena na sweswi. Ungubonini sweswi are bizarre guys. I'm not happy. It's just a job. It's the time. I'm going. He's supposed to release me. Whatever I go, Rivero, go well. Here, it's a home. Kusema Zenkeni, come back. If leo uyakhona uyahluleka Rivero, come back. Ukhoza uzokuvulela indlela, ubuye uzolwela ini i-Champions League yethu le league. I-Betway le isakulindile. Siyakufuna uyiphakamise Rivero. Sikulindile baba.
Number 1. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafo. Congratulations. And no ubani imani lo mlawuri ataka ngwina. Maybe ka coach let tingatala la.
Ika coach yaswes so far khoza onge surprise. Already Benny uteloka humala angizwela ku Benny go and get little bit experience. The door is open. Emazenkeni umnyango wamagate avulekile sikulindile. I-chairman ishilo uhamba wena Benny. Namanje sizwile amahemu ukuthi la ukhona into azihambi kahle. Emazenkeni kuvulekile Benny. Welcome home baba. The small boy are waiting for you. And ema ufika la ekhaya Benny asifuni ube ne-anger. Laba bafana abancane. Woza la ekhaya uthatha abafana abancane uwenze ento odume ngayo from ku-Man U uzonika labafana bethu ini ispiriti bashaya amagowulu nayi Betway siyasokola sihope wena Benny makati la ukhona abafana bakulindile and nosaneni mabuya la umnika ijob uzokuyenzela umsebenzi Benny waiting for you Benny. The jersey number 17 is still there for you. Come and pick up that jersey. Wenza umsebenzi odume ngayo wasikhipha elikini wena Benny 2-2 buya la uzenza lo msebenzi wale ku Cape Town City uzophakamisa la ekhaya esigodini emazenkeni. Hola Benny Makati hola.
Oh la For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.